Is it okay if a monument falls, cracked and looted? Does the time ever come to move on and forget? No, never. Not in Weber County, where 77 of our sons were lost in World War I. This shows the joy that the rest would be coming home. The whole community came out to that first Veterans Day parade. We have always honored our war heroes. The American Legion donated this doughboy statue, which stood on 24th Street. Then, just after World War II, it was moved to Gold Star Drive. But decades passed, and time and vandalism took a toll. Our soldier's hat was stolen, and his gun was bent. Well-meaning workers painted a construction hat to put on his head. And then one day, Bob Geyer noticed that the doughboy needed some love. The Heritage Foundation fundraised fiercely. It took 10 years of grant applications, private donations, and proceeds from the annual home tour. First, they upgraded the cannonballs and the markers on Gold Star Drive. Phase 2 was all about the doughboy. This community cut no corners. Veterans Day 2018 marked 100 years since World War I ended. Our soldier looked splendid. Restoring the doughboy says we will never forget those who pay the price of freedom. The Heritage Foundation met a $50,000 goal with the help of many donors and volunteers. Thank you to all who serve, and thank you to those who remember. And this video was sponsored by the Weber County Heritage Foundation and Evalogue.Life. Tell your story.